Hello everyone. With this lesson, we are going to discuss a very important topic, especially from an exam standpoint. Right of the way at roundabouts. Roundabouts are a key feature of traffic management here in Germany. And I'm sure many of you have noticed that many intersections and junctions are controlled by roundabouts. So in this lesson, let's understand the key considerations regarding roundabouts. So let's move on with the slides. This is a roundabout sign. This comes before the roundabout. This is essentially a giveaway sign with an additional supplementary sign like this. So this signifies an entry to a roundabout. Let's look at some consideration while entering the roundabout. As you see, at your entrance, you have this giveaway sign with the supplementary sign. But please note that you should approach such a roundabout at a reduced speed. So if you have a manual car, it is recommended to shift to second gear. Vehicles already in the roundabout have the right of the way. So that means if there are vehicles, you should wait for them, because this is also a giveaway for others. So you should give way for other vehicles in the roundabout. While entering, there is no need to indicate, because you have to always enter to the right. So there is no need for you to indicate the direction of your entry. Now let's look at some consideration while exiting the roundabout. So while exiting the roundabout, let's look at some consideration. 1. You should indicate while exiting the roundabout, and you always signal right because you always exit from your right. And watch out and stop for pedestrians if you also see pedestrians in the pedestrian lane. So this was a simple scenario where you just have single lane on either direction on your entry and exit. But in actual practical scenarios, you could have complicated roads with multiple lanes in your entry and exit. So deciding which lane you should stay depends on where you want to exit. So you should stay on your right lane if you want to exit, if you want to take the first exit, or if you want to go straight forward, which is your second exit. You should stay on the second lane, which is on your left lane, if you want to either go straight, which is your second exit, or if you want to take your third exit, or if you want to take your fourth exit, which is your U-turn. So depending on where you want to go, you should place your car accordingly. But this is mainly applicable for your practical exam, but not so applicable for your theory exam. But all other rules still hold good. You should indicate while you exit, and you should also watch out and stop for pedestrians. So that's all with this video. I will see you in the next one.